Oh, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle, the first puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, August the 11th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 6906. Yeah, 6906. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So these 2 boxes should be an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. And double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. And we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's. Same story, not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are 1s. And 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here in this row, so the rest are O's. And between 2 O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.